cool place to climb down if you had the stuff. I think if it's calm and I shoot it off from here, it'll be alright. High-tech launcher.
Wind is the whisper of our mother, the earth. Wind is the hand of our father, the sky. Wind watches over our struggles and pleasures. Wind is the goddess who first learned to fly. Wind is the bearer of bad and good tidings, weaver of darkness, bringer of dawn. The wind brings a rain, then builds us a rainbow. The wind is the singer who sang the first song. The wind is a twister of anger and warning. The wind brings a fragrance of freshly mown hay. The wind is a racer, a wild stallion running, and sweet taste of love on a slow summer's day.